Hello everyone, today we will see how to solve the problem unable to locate error package for a snort. So let's start video. You are, welcome to the Cyberlin official. Now open your browser and search for Ubuntu source list 16.04 because in the new Kali Linux or Parrot Linux repository snort is not available, so we install the Ubuntu source list. Open this Xenial default file from GitHub and download that zip file. After downloading that zip file, extract it and move the source.list file to your desktop. Now open your terminal. First convert your general user to the root user for easiness. Now convert this Kali Linux source list files name to the .back for our backup. So here I am converting the name to source list from source list.back. Now copy our desktop source list file to etc apt repository of root user. Sorry, we are not at the desktop. First move to the desktop and then copy the source list file of Ubuntu to the etc apt repository for installation of snort. Move to the etc apt will make available to that Ubuntu file to install its feature from its repository. Now go to the variable library and entities list. Now listing all the files. Here there are Kali's files, so we will remove that file. The parcel and aux file will be remain as it is because it's a system file, so and it's also a directory, so it will be stay as it is. Now clear it and now we will go back to our user's home directory. I have converted here to the general user, again to the root user for easiness. Now we will update our repository. Here we can see this is Ubuntu written here, so we got some errors here due to public key. Write this command, I will provide it in description. Here enter the second key for the package installer of Ubuntu. to allow installation of snort. Now update through apt update. We won't get error message as we got before. Now you can install snort by apt install snort and you won't get any unable to locate error package message. So yes, your snort is being installed on your system. We will check is that really installed. First we configure it by press OK, and it's asking for your local network, so press OK here. It is reading database. Wait for some minute. Now we will check the snort is really installed. So write snort version. It will show its version 2.9.7.4 we have installed here. Now go to the variable libraries apt file to remove the Ubuntu's installed file, because we want to make it to the Kali's repository back to maintain our system. So remove other files. Yes. Then by doing list, our aux file and parcel file will be remain. Aux file and parcel directory that will be remain same. Now remove Ubuntu source list, because we have copied that source list in etc apt. Remove that and press ls for watching the list of directories. Now we have given the name backup.back to the Kali's repository for our backup. Now convert that name to once again source list. Now your system will be same as that was before. So now update your system through apt update. Firstly we go out of this variable. Now apt update. Updating the system, and you can see here Kali rolling, that is Kali's repository. Wait for some time to update. Our update is completing. Now your system as it is when you have installed the system or you have managed system. Now we can see our snort is installed. We are out of the root user and we can use the snort anywhere. Thanks for watching.